Hi there, students. Andragogy. Andragogic. Okay, this is a really fun word. Let's see. I'm sure you all know the word pedagogic or pedagogic. Yeah. Talking about education. So andragogy or andragogic, this is talking about education, but for adults. Yeah, andragogy, the method, the activities, the theory in teaching adult learners. So this is education for adult learners, teaching adults to do things. Yeah. Let's see. Pedagogy we also use in the same way, the study of methods and activities of teaching. Andragogy is for adults. I'd actually like to look at the origin of these two words to start with. If you look at pedagogy or pedagogic, this comes from ancient Greek, from pais, a child, and ago, I lead. So technically, pedagogy should be talking about teaching for children, but we use it just generally meaning teaching. And andragogy, andros, a man. So technically, pedagogy should be for children, yeah, but we just use it generally to mean education. So andragogy is good for a country. Vocational education is good for people. It's good to make them much more employable. Yeah, this is just about teaching adults how to teach adults to do different things. So I guess my channel is all about andragogy because almost everyone who watches my videos are adult. They're not really made for kids. Okay, so adult education. It's just a really posh word for adult education. Yeah, the science of teaching adults. I guess further education, you might call it as well. Okay, so formality, andragogy. This is even formal than pedagogic or pedagogic. I think I'm going to give it a 7 in formality. I would not use it informally. Informally, adult education. Semi-formal conversation, I wouldn't either. I think I would use it in a semi-formal or a formal writing and no more. And then, as I said, okay, this word comes from ancient Greek. Andros, a person, a man, and ago, to teach. So the teaching of grown-ups. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If you found it andragogic, please say so. And I'll see you soon. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do so as well. Bye for now. Andragogy.